So, this video is for Mr. Whistling Diesel, Cody Detweiler. Yeah. Don't worry about your haters. Nee. I'm an old man. I'm an old dude. Nee. I love your videos. I will like your videos. I've already subscribed to your videos, but I will like every video you put on YouTube, man. Cody, you are the king of YouTube. Let me say that again, Cody Detweiler. You are the king of YouTube. Your content are the champion content of YouTube. Man, you are living the life. I thank you, for entertaining me. The guys that don't understand the entertainment, bugger them. You are the king of YouTube. You're better, man. Hey, man. You've got more views and more subscribers than any YouTuber can pray to or believe in. Or you are the champion, my friend. I love your videos. I'm a South African man. I'm old enough to be your father. Cody, I can be your father. No. Cody, keep on doing what you are doing. I'm an old subscriber. The first video I saw was that Peterbilt magnesium truck you bought for science experiments. And from there on, I'm a loyal subscriber. Klar, I'm a loyal subscriber. I love your videos, And don't let anybody else, put you down. You are the man, my friend. You are the man. You're the champion of YouTube. I hope this reaches you. Keep on doing what you're doing. Whenever a hater, puts a comment there on your videos, destroy a truck, or destroy a Bugatti, or destroy a Ferrari, or destroy fucking earthly things. Destroy it, You're a champion, my friend. The #1 champion of the world, You're good. I love your content, and don't let anybody else, give you grief. Because you are the best YouTuber on YouTube, my friend. I'm not trying to, in Afrikaans, okay, I come from South Africa. I kruip not gat by you. I don't want your approval. I'm just telling you, you are the best fucking YouTuber on YouTube. And that is a great accomplishment, my friend. That's the best accomplishment you can have. Keep on pissing the haters off. Piss them off. You're the #1 YouTuber, Cody. Don't let anybody else tell you you are not. Just my friend, greetings from South Africa. If you come to South Africa, the rand-dollar exchange rate, it's terrible, You can come here to South Africa and buy fucking 100,000 fucking trucks and big trucks, lorries and bakkies. That's what you call it in South Africa, as a bakkie. It's a truck, you call it there. Come to South Africa, make a video and destroy 10 million rands. Keep on, my friend. You know what I'm saying. You are the best, eh? And don't let the haters bring you down. I love your content. Man, I'm not gay, but I love you. You are the best. You're the #1 YouTuber on YouTube. Keep on doing what you're doing. Just stay by your dam. Make a koi pond, please. Take out all the tires and the things. Make a koi pond, eh? A fish pond. But thanks for your content. I enjoy it. If no one else enjoys it, I enjoy it. I'm not important, but I enjoy it. You are important. Thank you for your content, my friend.